Our Erowa V-block WIREEDM holder UnoSet ER-016691 compatible, is made of stainless steel, and is great for holding cylindrical workpieces. This versatile tool can clamp parts up to E40x 150 mm, meeting various machining needs. This incredible tool is designed to effectively clamp parts within prismatic slots, giving you the ability to achieve both parallel and angular configurations with ease. Whether you're working on a DIY project or a professional job, this device offers precision and reliability that you can count on. This holder is compatible with WIREEDM machines from renowned brands such as Sodic, Makino, and Eggy Charmills, ensuring broad applicability in the industry. This tool is a crucial tool for high-precision machining projects, providing an accuracy of 0.01 mm for repeatable results. Don't miss out on the latest news and updates about our tools. Get in touch with us through email if you have any questions.